should have had safety something on. So what'd you break, Joe?
The shock tower. It's right underneath there.
Alright.
The weld broke on it.
We just gotta take it out and fix it.
Yep.
Seems easy enough.
We realized this after we were going down the road, and every time you'd hit a bump and it'd make this loud banging sound, so we did a little inspecting and found that we had a weld broke. So called up Fab Rats. And because he's cheap, because he's my brother-in-law, I think I'm gonna get the better end of this deal too.
Looks like that's the problem right there. So we'll fix it.
Is this a pretty quick fix?
Yeah. Gonna take me longer to take it off than it is to fix it. This here is the problem. So we'll fix it. Let me move my chainsaw project.
Will you please put your freaking safety glasses on for this?
Crying out loud.
Put the safety glasses on. Wait, use that. Use that one.
If you can learn to weld with this, you can probably weld with anything. Let me
Do
clean
it
the
again.
lens.
How are you supposed to do it?
People start yelling at me, I'll just use this one. 'Cause I'm not safe enough for everybody.
Did you too?
See? You should have had safety something on.
Tell us about Easy.
So East Sign Experiences is a repelling / outdoor company. Take people on repelling tours in slot canyons here by Orderville. This machine is one of the second ones we ever bought, and
they've taken us on a repelling tour.
That's
and
right.
I was probably his best repeller he's ever had.
oh, so much.
Lean back, Michelle. Lean back. You want your heels to touch the wall.
Hey, you gotta lay back. I told you it was gonna be great. Hey, Shell, how was that? Got some welders shipped to us. I assume they're like an entry-level welder for somebody that had never welded before and wanted to get into it. I don't know very much about them. We're gonna open them up and see what they look like, though. Cute little guy.
It's a cute little guy.
Yeah. We'll assemble this sucker and see what it welds like. We'll grind her smooth and fold it back on. You thought I was gonna do it, didn't you?
Put them on.
They're on.
I got a thing on my phone that said there was like a heat wave in the next 3 days. Warning.
You could have just asked me. I could have told you it's hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give us the weather report, Ed.
Darwin, give us the weather report today.
Hot. It's been loose, Uncle Joe.
Has it?
That hole's all wallered out right there.
Holy moly.
We'll tighten it back up. It'll be
Okay.
all right.
Okay, but the tire's too big and it's been rubbing through the floorboard
Right here?
recently. Yeah.
Let's just turn the shock up, fix it.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
It's still hot in case anyone...
Still a little heavy, is it?
People are worried about my eyeballs, but not my fingers. Should have turned that shock up after.
Been easier, huh?
Yeah. All right. Thanks for the hammer. Finger.
Wow.
Charge you for that.
All right. That was a bump.
Those ones right there are stiff. This is a finger pinching situation right here. Which one did I go to? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Okay. Seatbelt for safety.
Weldpro welder seems to be a pretty good low budget welder. I mean, for the money, it welds pretty fair. So if you're interested in getting into welding, probably a decent option.